What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is an instructive how to. I'm gonna teach you guys how you can enable 2FA for Fortnite on Epic Games. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys need any help in the comment section. Alright, so what you gotta do first is go to epicgames.com, right? So once you're on epicgames.com, this is the creator of Fortnite, so this is the website you're gonna go to. And once you're over here, what you gotta do is go over here. You have to click on this, right? So you click on this right here. Then once you're over here, you have to sign in. So I'm gonna sign in with my email right here. So I just signed in. Once you sign in, what you gotta do is click on your name. Then you have to go to account. Then once you're over here, what you have to do is scroll down until you see password and security. And once you click on that, you have to scroll down again till you're right here where you see two-factor, and you have three options right here. So first is your two-factor app, which you could do through your phone. Then you have your email right here, and you have your phone verification right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna verify through my email, right? So I click on this setup, then it's gonna send the code straight to my email, right? Then once you need your email, you should get this code right here. Make sure you refresh if you don't get it. So once you get it, you have to come back over here and click on copy and paste, enable it, and there you go. Done. You just verified. That's how you enable 2FA on Fortnite Epic Games. Make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know if you guys need any help.